Hi guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Deborah. In this video I just want to show you how to create dynamic charts in Excel without pivot table, no VBA, no codes. So as you can see, I have this drop down beside this cell. When I click on that drop down, I'm going to see list of other items or subcategory. Once I choose any one, my chart changes automatically. How did I create this dynamic chart? Here is how I did it. Okay, so here I have my table. This table was generated from this pivot table. How I did that is in my previous video. You could watch that there. Alright, so I will just undo this, and to do that I'll go to my data tab. Under my data tools, I have my data validation, so I'll click on data validation, and here is the data validation window. I have list in this check, in this drop down. I'm going to select any value, and once I click OK, that drop down arrow beside the cell has gone. So with that, I could just delete this entire NA. So I'll also delete my chart. So to create, I'm going to select that particular cell. I will go to my data tab, and under my data tool I will choose data validation. Data validation is here, and I will go from any value to list. Where is the source? Where is the list that I want to appear in that cell I selected? I will highlight my list column. Alright, so click OK. As you can see by this side, this arrow there has appeared, and I have my list in there. Once I click on that drop down arrow, so I could select any item of my choice. Now the next thing I want to do is to return the values in different columns. As you can see, this supplies here has total sales, total quantity, total profit. I need to return that here, and to do this I'm going to use a function in Excel called VLOOKUP. So by the cell beside, I'm going to write my equal to, and I will choose VLOOKUP. So I'm simply going to tell this Excel, look up for this value in this table and return all the values or content in the cells in the same row. So I'm going to choose this, and I always use comma. Where is the table array? So this is the table array. I'm going to select the entire table all the way down, place my equal to. The next is column index number. What column, or what are the columns I would want to return? And here we have column 2, 3, 4. So I want to return the content in this column. I'm going to open this bracket, use shift, I'm going to say return column 2, 3, 4. I'm going to close it and place my comma. Then I'll have to, and the next step is to choose true or false. I'm going to choose false, which is exact match. I'm going to close it and click enter. So here I have total cells showing for the supplies, and if I drag this to the right, I will return the other value in the same row. So here is it, and if I choose any other item, it changes dynamically, and that is from here. Now I can create my chart. So let's go and create our chart. Just click away outside that cell and go to your insert tab and choose this the chart you would want to. In this case I want to use 2D column, which is yes, let me use clustered column. So I'll choose the first one, and I'll just drag this here. With that selected, my chart selected, I'll right click and go to select data. Here I have my select data source open, and I'll have to add series, so the first one is for your vertical series, and this is for horizontal. So I'm going to choose the add. Once I click on the add, I have this open, and I'll choose my series name. Of course, my series name will be this, which is the same thing as the title, and my series value will be this content here, this. So yeah, you can see my chart has updated, and I'll click OK. Right here by the horizontal label, we have 1 2 3 showing. This is not what we want to show. We want to show the axis label, total sales, total quantities, total profit. So I'm going to edit this. I'll click on edit, and I'll select this entire range. Alright, so yeah, you can see the chart has updated already. I'll click OK. Okay, here is my chart. So just to make this chart look good, I'm going to delete the legend or the grid lines. I'm going to reduce the gap width. Once I reduce the gap width, I'll automatically increase the bar size. So yeah, I'll click enter. This is what I have here. What else would I want to do? In chart, this is not necessary. I could just delete this and use my data label instead. So I'll click on this plus icon, and I'll choose data label. So here are my data labels for this bars. So yeah, this is how to create dynamic charts in Excel. So once I come here and choose anything, the chart updates automatically with no pivot table, no VBA code, just using formulas. And this is the best way to create dynamic chart, like using formulas, because everything updates automatically. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. See you in my next video. Bye.